What's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about the path to MOASS Part 3, You and the Price, a tactical approach of the individual investor. That's you. So while waiting for your financial freedom, remember, the price is irrelevant. The counterparty needs, you can think of them as droplets of water in a vast desert. And we're all collectively holding as individual investors the each remaining droplets of water in this desert. Now, remember, the counterparty needs this or these droplets of water to survive. So they're going to do anything and by any means necessary to obtain these for anything less than what they're actually worth. That's their whole game. So right here is a little diagram. So in the middle here, we have individuals and we have awareness. Now, if we're aware that the price is irrelevant and the counterparty needs these droplets of water to survive, we can then create a psychological impenetrable barrier of an individual investors aware of the value of their water. And in this scenario, it is a basic defense against hype, FUD, paid shills, fake news, scare tactics, and all the other tricks and ideas thrown at us by the thirsty hedgies in this case. So again, they're going to try any method possible to obtain these droplets of water from us. Because again, they're the only ones left, and we have them. That means, based on supply and demand 101, we set the price. Sucks to suck. So, that's just it. Purchase one share whenever you're thinking about buying in of your favorite stock of choice in a situation that could be life-changing. Make sure that you go in slowly. Don't blow your load all in one day. If you have a $10,000 investment idea, spread it out over time. Why not? Follow as the price goes, buy in as you go. Always recommended to do that. It's called scaling in your position. Now, traditional trading psychology versus MOASS trading psychology. So before, we have all these different emotions that are irrelevant in today's scenario. In today's scenario, we only have, I am very pleased with my investment. As the stock dips, we are very pleased to get another buying opportunity to average down. As it rises, oh my gosh, this could be the moment that my life changes. If it doesn't, repeats. Well, wasn't that time? I guess I'll just continue enjoying my investment and being grateful for this dip. And then, oh my God, my life may be changing soon. Rinse and repeat until one day the cycle is broken. The no-lose strategy. View dips as buying opportunities, as they are inevitable in this situation, and give you a chance to average down your cost. View peaks as a moment to reflect on everything you've just experienced, and this could be the moment that your life begins to change. Remember, don't think how they want you to. Think how you want you to. This could potentially change your life. Holding it should be amazing. That's really all we have to do. And remember, the enemy of the individual is betting on these things: your impatience, your greed, your reliance on others to receive and understand the current situation you're in, you giving up your droplets of water, so to speak, by getting scared, tricked, or misleaded into doing so. It's all the water that's left, and we're all holding it together as individual investors. It just so happens you have one piece of the same glass of water that they need to survive. So I will hold with you, brother. Remember, they need this water to survive. They're thirsty. We got it. They can't get it. That's what sucks for them. Carry on. That's going to be us someday as individual investors.